Today I hope to explain you how to replace a touch glass of Samsung Galaxy Tab A. You can see some tablet has auto touch problem. This tab also has some error. It means auto touching. So first of all I hope to remove back cover using smooth printer. You can do it just like this. It is very simple process, but carefully do this because sometimes internal parts may be damaged. I hope to disconnect some ribbons and I hope to reconnect it again because sometimes loose connection may be damaged to the auto touch. Sometimes it may be occurring auto touch. Sometimes it may be touch problem. I hope to remove touch just like this. It is very simple process. You can remove glue coat just like this using proper printer. You can see here it is touching, but it should be replaced. I hope to remove glass just like this. I hope to disconnect each cables. You can see I hope to attach new one. It is very simple technique. You can attach ribbons again. I hope to check it new display touch. I hope to load Samsung because it is power on. You can see touching here and there. You can check each nook and corner because I don't know it is working or not working each nook and corner. It should be test. Okay, I hope to disconnect touch just like this, and I hope to remove it again because it is compulsory to apply again. I hope to remove sticker, safety sticker just like this. Unwanted particle should be removed. After completion of that, it is compulsory to add glue coat. I hope to apply suitable glue coat just like this. Don't apply it too much. You can do it just like this. It is very simple, smooth process. You can do it just like this. It is very simple process. Now I hope to attach new glass just like this, touchpad just like this. This is touch glass. Okay, I think it has been fixed. Now I hope to reconnect cables just like this. After completion of that, you can insert back cover just like this. It is simple process. You can press it just like this. You can add some force just like this. Now you can see it is fixing. You can see it is fixed very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and I hope to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.